What you're looking at here is a GMC 2500 with the 6-liter in it. It's a 2001, and I want to show you this dent here so you don't think I'm trying to hide it. There's a little dent right there, no big deal. But I'm also going to come down here and show you the shocks. They're brand new. The tires that are brand new. The leveling kit was put on it. The thing looks immaculate. It's got 140, I don't know, 2,000 miles on it, something like that. You can read it right there, right? Nothing terrible, really. It's low fuel, that's for sure. You can see that sticker. Nice trucker. My name isn't Ext Cab here at Snowy Mountain Motors. This is the SLE extended cab with a 6.5-foot box. No, there is no ball in the box. It hasn't been overused or over-towed with. It's a really nice truck. And you could do a whole lot worse and spend a whole lot more money. There's a dent right here. I'm showing you this so you can see it. And we're going to give you the interior tour here as best as I can. Seats are perfect. Same in the back. Truck is just super nice. And it's priced right. Come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors. You'll love it, or my name isn't Ext Cab.